Hey, what's up guys? Peter here once again. I got a quick DIY for you guys. This could possibly save you a ton of cash, like it sure did for me. Anyway guys, I have a 2004 S500 Mercedes W220 chassis. And basically what happens is that my key fob stopped working. So basically it stopped working on me. I couldn't unlock the car. I couldn't lock the car. It was just malfunctioning on me. And so I went through a diagnostics, trying to see which one it is. I changed the battery and the key fob, which on that one I'll link down below as well. What it is that I barely drive this car. I probably drive it about, I would say about 2 times a month, if that. The last time I drove this car was a couple months back, and I was going to drive it this weekend, and it would not even unlock. The car would not unlock, the car would not arm, it would not do anything, it would not communicate. So, I'm like, well, it's probably the key fob battery. Changed out the key fob battery, and guess what? Lo and behold, I go in, it still would not communicate. It would not unlock the car, it would not arm the car. And then I went in and put the key in here, and it was just like that, blank. See, now it's communicating, but before it was not. It would not do anything. So I went ahead and checked the fuses, and to make a long story short, you guys, fuse number 78 over here on the passenger kick panel side. You just take these off. Basically, they pry out. Just be careful you don't break and snap these little clips. And you want to change and make sure your let me focus on that, 7.5 fuse. Mine was blown. Okay, and so I think what happened was that, I'm not sure, okay? I mean, if all you gurus out there know the answer to this, go ahead and comment down below. But what happened was that I have this car on a floater, a battery floater, and maybe my kids disarmed the car, and it, who knows, maybe there was like a too much of a electrical trigger that happened, and so it popped that fuse. And so right now I just stuck a filler in there, since I got to go and get some 7.5 fuses. But yeah, it was fuse holder 78, okay, 7.5 amp. And that, I think that is what the all automatic something communication thing, it prevents it from happening, from working. So basically that's what went out on mine, and now it's basically working again. So there you go. And so anyway guys, I just wanted to share that with you so that you guys know what I go through. Anyway, this is just a quick DIY that I wanted to show you guys, because I know that at the dealership they're gonna want $150 an hour or so to diagnose your car. And so number one, if your key fob is not communicating with your car, there's many different things that could go wrong, but always check the cheapest part first, which is what I always say. Look at the battery and check the battery of the key fob, make sure it's good. And if that's working, go on to the next step, which is check the fuse 78 here. There's also a fuse behind, underneath the passenger rear kick panel, right there, down there, right there. So there's some fuse there, but always check your 78 first. It's a 7.5, and see if it popped. If it didn't, then go to the next step. But that's it right there for me. And like I said, the symptoms was that it was not unlocking the car, it was not locking the car, the key fob was not communicating with the car whatsoever, and yep, and I couldn't even get the lights to turn on. The car was responding like as if there's no battery in the key fob, and now it's all good. Anyway guys, hey, I hope this helped you. If you have any other issues with your Mercedes, comment down below. If you have any other experiences that you want to share, comment down below. This is a family channel. Please click like and subscribe. Hope this helped you guys. Man, definitely saved me a few hundred. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.